Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I would like to show you the tutorial how to create filters on Google Sheets to filter the data or the information on your document. So first thing we have to do is just go open the Google Sheet application, and now we just need to open the documents that containing a lot of data that you need to filter to. And here I already find several or prepare the documents that I would like to show to you guys. Okay, you can see here. So I already have the name of the students here, and it was recording up. The name is quite random, like it's improper. So from A to D to F to G, I will need to filter this. So the A will be on the top, and then followed by B, and so on and so on. So the things you have to do is just go click the cells, and after that you just need to go click this three small button, and after you find these three small dots, you just need to go click create a filter. When you already create a filter, you just need to go click this filter, and after that you just need to go arrange this from A to Z. If you want to start into the top, you just need to click it, and and now it's already organized. So the A name will be on the top, followed by C, D, F, and so on and so on. So that's the way how to create a filter on Google Sheet. If you find out this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.